First, place the roll of tape into the banjo and stick the strand through the front hole. Then fill up the upper compartment with mud. Make sure to seal both latches before picking up the banjo. Once properly loaded, the banjo will put mud on the back side of the tape for you. This pin at the front of the banjo can be tightened and loosened to adjust the quantity of mud applied to the tape. Gently press the tape down along the seams and wipe it down with the knife just like we did before. To refill the banjo, first pull the tape back so the mud coats it on the right side. You'll want to leave about 1/4 inch at the top so as to not overflow the banjo. When using the banjo in a corner, run your fingers along the tape as you apply it. Then wipe down the excess with a knife.